Good Tuesday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Mike Ottenweller at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. Taking a look at today's weather map, working from the west to the east, we have high pressure over the western Bering at 1,013 millibars. This is making for some patchy fog for the western Aleutian and Pribilof Islands. South of the central Aleutians, we have an area of low pressure at 993 millibars, and this will be our main weather maker for the rest of the week as this starts to spread rain and warmer air in through the central and eastern Aleutians this afternoon and going to the overnight hours. Over mainland Alaska, we have a weak area of low pressure at 1,002 millibars, and this is helping to create showers and thunderstorms over much of interior and even portions of south central Alaska, mainly along the mountains, but they are drifting down into the valleys. A bigger swath of thunderstorms is moving from east to west, just east of the KAKM border, and another area of light rain is pushing into southeast Alaska, courtesy of a weak trough in that area. That weak trough will dissipate as we go into the overnight hours, so we should see those showers starting to dissipate into the morning. 1,005 millibar low pressure is now over northwest Alaska, and this is helping to keep the showers going through the overnight hours, though we should see thunderstorms come to an end as we lose the daytime heating. Smoke will once again be an issue as we go into the overnight hours, with many of the wildfires continuing and the smoke being trapped underneath the overnight inversion. The area of low pressure south of the central Aleutians is now down to 991 millibars, and the rain should reach Cold Bay and Sandpoint as we go into Wednesday morning. On into Wednesday, that area of low pressure remains pretty steady at about 992 millibars, and the precipitation associated with it, some of that precipitation could be moderate to heavy rain at times, starts to work its way towards Kodiak Island. Showers and thunderstorms should once again fire over much of the mainland tomorrow afternoon, but they should be less widespread as we start to see a little bit more stable air move in to the mainland. Showers are also possible over southeast Alaska as we start to see high pressure finally build into the northeastern portions of the Gulf. Out over the Bering, we expect high pressure to be dominant out there with just fog and some light showers on the backside of that low pressure system, mainly for Atka and Adak. That low pressure system on Thursday will be just to the west of Bristol Bay at 993 millibars, and the precipitation associated with that, heavy again along the Gulf Coast, will make its way through much of south central Alaska and the Cook Inlet region. We do expect showers and some thunderstorms over the Brooks Range on Thursday, and just some patchy fog and marine stratus for much of southeast Alaska. With Alaska statewide weather, I'm meteorologist Mike Ottenweller.